Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about and how to use the ServiceTitan mobile application. So as you can see, I am using the web browser right now because I cannot really log in to the actual applications since we don't really have an account, but still I am going to discuss to you the important details. Okay, if you are a field technician or home service business owner, you've probably heard of the Service Titan. So, while many people know it as a powerful office management platform, one of its most valuable tools is the Service Titan mobile app, which helps technicians manage jobs directly from their smartphones or their tablets. Okay, so yeah, again, I don't really have the access to a live ServiceTitan account. So this guide is based on the Service Titan's official product documentation and publicly available resources so you can understand the workflow before using it yourself. All right. So first, what is Service Titan mobile app? So this app is designed for technicians working in the field. So instead of relying on paperwork, orders, or constant phone calls with the office, technicians can manage nearly every part of a service call from the app. So common tasks include like viewing the assigned jobs, accessing the customer information, navigating to job locations, creating estimates, recording installed materials, taking photos, and then collecting the customer signatures, processing payments, and completing invoices. So everything stays synchronized with the office, helping everyone stay on the same page. Okay, so first step that you are going to do once you've decided to download the application, you just have to open any of if you are using a an Android phone, so you can open your Play Store and then App Store for iOS devices, and then just search for Service Titan, and then you just have to download the app. So once you open the app, this is how it's going to look like. So your company login or tenant name, and then your username or email, and then your password. So, depending on your company's security settings, you may also need to complete multi factor authentication before accessing your account. So, after signing in, you will arrive to your technician dashboard. Okay. So, next one is you have to view your schedule. So, once you have the app, so you have the option to really see your schedule. And then each assigned job typically display like the customer name, the service address, the appointment time, the job type, and then the current job status. All right. And then the appointment time. And then you can tap any appointment to open more detailed information before heading to the customer's location. Okay, of course, you have to review the customer information. Now, before arriving, technicians can review the customer details directly in the app. So, this may include the contact information of your customer, all right, and then the service history, the previous invoices, the equipment details, then the notes from the office staff, and then the special instructions. So, having this information beforehand helps the technicians arrive better prepared. Okay, now the next thing is to navigate to the job site. So, the app can integrate with your device's navigation system. Simply tap the customer address to open your preferred navigation app and begin driving to the service location. So this saves time by eliminating the need to manually enter addresses. All right. And then next one is to create your estimate and invoices. So once you've diagnosed the problem, you can create an estimate directly in the app. So, using your company's price book, you can add the services, select the replacement part, include the labor, apply discounts when authorized, and then present the pricing options. Now, if the customer approve the work, You can convert the estimate into an invoice without entering the information. Okay. Next one is you can record the material and job details. So as you complete the work, the app allows you to record the parts used, equipment installed, labor performed, and then the job notes. So photos before and after service. Now, keeping these records updated helps maintain accurate inventory and provides documentation for future service visits. Then, of course, you have to collect the signatures and the payments. Now, after finishing the job, you can ask customer to review the invoice. They can sign directly on your mobile device to approve the completed work. And if your company has payment processing enabled, you may also be able to accept credit cards, debit cards, and other supported payment methods. And once the payment is processed, the office is updated automatically. Okay, now before leaving, you have to review your work to make sure that everything has been entered correctly. Then update the job status to indicate the work has been completed, and this immediately notifies dispatchers and office staff, allowing them to um, schedule the next appointment or close out the job. Because everything is synchronized in real time, your office team can monitor progress throughout the day without needing to call each technician. And then, as you can see right here, let me just go back. Okay, so once you download the app, you have to enter your username and your password. So if you don't have an account yet, make sure that you are going to use the web browser, okay, in order for you to log in to your account. So you have to make sure that you already have your account with your team or just for yourself. Okay, so inside the app, this is how it looks like. All right, so yeah, these are the jobs. Okay, and then the inspection section. All right, and then here you can ask your client to sign this one. Okay, and then this is the map. Okay, so the map direction, you can create estimate, invoice, purchase order, and all that. Okay, so by reducing the paperwork and improving communication between the technicians and the office, the app helps service businesses operate more efficiently and deliver a better customer experience. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.